up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you guys one of my favorite portable LED lights of all time, and that is the Neewer. This is the model, the RCL01, and yes, this is an RGB light. I've been using this personally and I've been using this professionally to photograph my product photography, my toys, my action figures, and personally I've been using it when I wake up in the middle of the night and I don't want to turn on the lights. This is my to-go light. Not only that, but when I shower, I just loved to have some colorful lights all over my bathroom when I'm taking a bath. But today we're not here to talk about this particular light, but my new replacement, and that is the Neewer RGB62. So as you can see, it's very similar to the Neewer, except maybe this one is a little bit maybe wider than the Neewer. Now, why am I replacing my old LED light? It's not broken, it works perfect. The reason why I'm replacing it is because I found this kit in particular on Amazon, and this particular light gives me the ability to control it with an app. Now, that may not make a huge difference to you, but when you are a one crew person, recording yourself, going back and forth, controlling the lights or the equipment, having wireless control is actually a must or a plus. So if I wanted right now to control my key light, I can just grab my phone and lower the brightness. So that saves me some time. I don't have to go around the light and turn it off or on or change whatever color I want to. The same with my other fill-in light. The same with some of the lights over here. I can pretty much control most of them. Now for this one, I'll be using it mainly for product photography and also for as a personal light. I will be using this one, and having that ability to be able to control it wirelessly to me is a plus with any portable light, and I'll take it over a regular light that doesn't have that capability. I prefer that because it allows my workflow to be a little bit faster, which I appreciate. Now, another thing I really like about this particular light is that includes this stand right here. And I'm gonna go over in a minute why I like the stand. And second, not only that, but this one includes an additional diffuser, which I appreciate. I'm a big fan of soft lighting, especially when I do my product photography, and it looks like this LED light checks in all the boxes. So I'm really excited about this. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about this product, hey, stay here with me. All right guys, so before moving on, just wanted to let you know that for this video, I'm using the new Comica shotgun mic, which is the model, the VP3. Just to let you know, this video is not advertised by Comica. This is a product that I ordered on my own, and I'm using for this video because I'm testing the product. So if you guys are interested in any of the products that I'll be using on this video, in the description I'm gonna leave links, and if you guys use any of those links, it helps me a little bit here on the channel, and I want to say thank you for supporting the channel. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe. And now back to the video. So really quick, now I want to go over the features that these two lights share. And I don't want to spend a lot of time with this because most of these portable LED lights, they kind of do the same thing. So let me go ahead and point them out. So yes, the cool thing about this light that I appreciate is the size. Both of them are really light and they can fit in your pocket, and they're easy to carry because they're so light and small. I like they both produce 6-watt output and they produce 800 lux. Color temperature, you can change the color temperature from 2500 Kelvin all the way to 85 Kelvin. This one I think you can go to 9000 Kelvin, which is really hard to tell the difference. Now as far as the accuracy of the light, these are both advertised as CRI 97 plus. Also, both of these lights, they have 3 cold chutes. That is really cool because that gives you the option to mount a microphone, or if you want, you can stack them together. So if you have additional lights, you can actually stack them all together and create one big light, which is really cool. Especially if you have the Neewer brand, you can actually control them all together with the same app, which is neat. Both lights, they also give you the 1/4 thread hole, so you can mount this with your stand, which is nice. Both of these lights are RGB, so they provide 360 colors so you can control, offers CCT, and also offers the FX mode. So if we're talking about the life of this battery, if you say you're using it 100%, it could give you from 2 to almost 3 hours of power, which is really nice, and that is running at 100%. So I'm not gonna go over the app because it's very straightforward. Just download the app, the Neewer app, to your phone, connect it with your LED lights, and then you'll be able to control your light. As far as my experience, the app works really good with the light, which I appreciate. I know there's some apps that have glitches and they don't work very well with the product or the LED lights, and this one, as far as my experience, it works flawless. It works really, really good. Now, what I do want to show you really quick is the stand, because I think this is one of the features that I really appreciate, especially when you get a really good stand like this one. So not only can you use it as a stand to maybe photograph your products, your toys, your action figures, or maybe use it as in the studio for maybe a fill-in light, but you can also use it as a selfie stick, which is really cool. So instead of mounting the light, what you can do is basically get one of those phone adapters that have a cold shoe, so that way you have your phone and then you have your LED light on top of the phone. And maybe if you have a microphone, then you can use one of the cold shoots on the microphone and mount a microphone, which is cool. So you can use it as a selfie stick, which is really nice, or you can use it as a stand. And the way that works is that you can open up the legs like most of these stands. So there you go. Not only can you use it as a selfie stick, but also you can use it as a stand. Plus, like I mentioned before, I'm a big fan of photographing with soft light. I don't like using harsh light because it creates really harsh shadows. Now that is a style and some people love that style. I personally don't. So the more diffusers I can get, the better. And the fact that this one gives me that additional option is great. Not bad at all having this additional option. So I appreciate that. And this is the last and my favorite feature that both of these lights share, and that is that they're built-in magnet. This is really cool because it allows me to pretty much attach it to almost any metal surface. And I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer, so I do carry a lot of gear that has metal. So to me, this is really, really cool. The fact that it gives me that versatility to be able to attach it to different metal surfaces, I think that is a plus. All right, so if you guys are interested, if you guys were to order this on Amazon or online, this is the box that it comes in. So inside the box, again, you will find the light, you will find the diffuser, you will find the stand, and also you will find the USB cable and obviously the instructions inside the box. All right, so what is the price tag of this light? This is $29.99, but again, it includes not only the stand, it includes the diffuser, includes the light, and also gives you the ability to control it wirelessly, which is really nice. However, you can get other models like this one, just the light, and some of them might be a little bit cheaper, but just keep in mind that some of them do not have the wireless capability. So if that is important to you, that's something to keep in mind. I think for this price tag, the $29.99, and having this really good quality stand, the light feels solid as well, and then the diffuser and the option to be able to control wirelessly, I think is a really good deal. So again, if you guys are interested and you would like to order this light, it will come in a box similar to this one. In the description at the bottom, as always, I'm going to leave a link, and if you guys use that link, it helps me out a little bit here on the channel and it's greatly appreciated. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Do you have a favorite light, a portable, affordable light that you also recommend, that you think is even better than this one? Let me know in the comments because I'm curious. Besides that, guys, thank you again for watching till the end, and don't forget to like this video, it's very helpful. So, and if you have a comment, please let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys next time and take care. Bye guys.